Alright, so let's learn about the areas of segments. Now segments are the shaded part in red. Okay, what type of segment is this called? This is called a minor segment, and the bigger one, the Pac-Man, is called the major segment. Okay, now before we start, let's revise some of the formulas. The first formula we will revise on is the area of circle. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Next, we will look at the area of a sector. Now, the sector will look like this. That's the major sector, or it can look like this. That's a minor sector. What is the formula for area of sector? Theta. This is your theta over 360 times area. Pi r square. And the last formula we'll need for today is area of a triangle. Now the triangle will be having the length AB and the included angle here. Included angle. So which formula do we use for area of triangles given the included angle? Half half AB sine C. Alright, when you see this ABC, you should jot your memory. Is half AB sine C. Now to find the area of the segment, first we have to find the area of the sector. Now what is the area of this sector here? OAB. This minor sector, what's the area? How do I find it? Yeah, the theta over 360 times pi r square. So now you need, look at your homework. I did the amendment for you. You need to put down values. Every unknown, if you have the values, you must put it down. 23.876. Again, area of the triangle, we will use the formula half AB sine C. What is the value of A? B. And the included angle? 76. Now, the A is always the radius, B is always the radius, C is always the one in between. So the question is quite standard and fixed. What answer will I get? Okay, finally, class, can you tell me? This one is very important. You learn before sector, you learn before triangle. Today is the first time you learn about segments. Okay, using your mathematical common sense, how do I find the area of the segments? Minus, very good. So if you use 23.876 minus 17.4653, that will give us the area of segment. 6.41. Okay, can already 3SF. Okay, we will try one more time. Area of sector, the formula is equals to theta over 360 times pi r square. What number do I fill in?
360 minus 76.
Can you see the trick here? The angle is actually 360 minus away 76, because I need to use the big angle for the big segment. The big angle for the major segment. Okay. Now, in case you can't see it, the segment is actually this shape. Alright, this is a segment. Okay, so I will use 360 minus 76 over 360 times pi 6 square. 89.221. Okay, after I find area of sector, what do I find next? I will find area of the triangle half AB sine C. What is A? Okay, be careful. B? Okay, this one, what angle am I using? Do I use 76 or do I use 284? The triangle, what is the angle of the triangle? It's still 76 there. So this one, no change. All right, no change. Which is why I will use blue throughout when there's no changes. So I know the answer is 17.4653. Okay, now for the last part. Using your mathematical common sense again, we are finishing already. Area of the major segments. What do I do with these two numbers? Okay, let me give you a clue. All right, let me give you a clue. First, the area of the sector looks like this. Agreed? The Pac-Man? The area of a triangle looks like this. I want to find the area of a segment. What must I do with these two shapes in order to get the red part? This plus or minus this to get this. Like jigsaw puzzle. Yeah, you have to plus these two together. Then see that this piece must go inside here. So you must add them up to form this area. So I will do a plus now. So 89.221 plus 17.4653. Can someone help me please? The answer is 106, is it? 100? Okay, so it's 106.683, so it's 107. Alright, can we stop the video? Someone can. Okay, thank you.